Hello, my name is Alejandro Zapata Restrepo, Presidential Candidate Abelardo de las Priella. Hello, everyone. Today, I will talk about Abelardo de las Priella and its main president's profiles. Abelardo de las Priella is a Colombian lawyer, writer, and political figure. He is known for his strong opinions about democracy, justice, and national development. Its proposals focus on six key areas. First, strengthening democracy. He emphasizes respect for institutions, political diversity, and civil liberties. Second, education for progress. He believes education should be accessible to everyone and be the foundations of social and economic growth. Third, economic development. He supports industrial growth, small business, and attractive investment to create hopes for social justice. He aims to reduce inequalities and improve life conditions for all citizens. Fifth, agricultura modernization. He proposes improving productivity in rural areas and supporting farmers and family international integrations. It promotes strong global relationships based on cooperations and respect for international law. In the conclusion, in vision is food success on building and modern fair and democratic Colombia. Thank you.